Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are Group 27 from the BAXZ3353 for the Network Security Administration and Management. We are going to demonstrate to you on how we are using the NMap, or we know it as Network Mapper, for testing on Kali Linux. We are going to do the test, which is 6 tests. For the test 1, the network discovery for the ping scan. Here we can see the ping scan identified for active host on the 192.168.67.0/24 network, and then the scan take 4.18 seconds to complete it. And then we'll proceed with the RRP scan. So here we can see the first host. This host shows Windows related services such as MSRPC, NetBIOS and SMB. And then the second host, we can see we have port 53 open, signifying a DNS server. And then the third host, we can see that all port is filtered. And lastly, our Kali machine itself, this you see SSH and HTTP services, and the scan took longer time to complete, around 12.71 seconds. And then we proceed with the list scan. Then it will show all the 256 potential IP addresses, and the scan take 1 to 8.50 seconds. And then we move on to the test 2, which is the port scanning. We'll do the TCP SYN stealth scan for the local host. And then it show the SYN scan revealed 3 open ports, which is the SSH, HTTP, and the SQL, and it take 0.36 seconds to complete it. While for the external IP scanning, we'll do the SYN scan show only SSH and HTTP open and took 6.97 seconds to complete it. And then we scan for all the TCP ports using this command. It scans all the 65535 TCP ports, including the SSH and HTTP, but only SSH and HTTP is open externally. The other 65533 is filtered. After that, we move on to the test 3, which is the service version and OS detection. First, we are going to do the service version detection. And then we identified the open SSH 10.0 P2 DBN8 on port 22 and Apache HTTPD 2.4.65 on port 80, and the scan identified the OS as Linux and provide CPE information. Then we'll do for the OS detection. We identified the system as Linux kernel 2.6.x to 5.x, and the network distance shows 0 hops. Confirm the local scanning. Then we move on to the test for the advanced scanning technique, which is first the timing template. And it shows still the same, and the scan take 5.96 seconds to finish, faster than the default timing itself. And then we do the fragmented packets. The scan took 5.53 seconds to complete, and also confirm only the 2 open port, same as the before. And then we proceed with the test 5 for the vulnerability and skip scanning. The analysis showed that we couldn't find any DOM-based SS and couldn't find any CSRF vulnerabilities, couldn't find any stored SSS vulnerabilities, and discovered the server status potentially interesting folder. Lastly, we will do the last test, which is the test 6 for the output and comprehensive. For the all format output, we will use this command. For the OA option, it will create 3 output files, which is the normal text format, XML, and the graphical format. And the full comprehensive scan, we will do this command. For this command, it combines the aggressive timing, all features, and all ports to provide a complete scanning by giving details on the services, its version, and potential threats, and OS characteristics. So that's all from our group. Thank you.